That's why you chose the highest number, which is the number 6. Yeah.
Bravo.
Thank you very much.
Wow. Psychology yun? Wala po siyang gadget dito. Wow. Nakakabilib.
My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. So, I have to look at you. I have to be inside of your head first para malaman ko kung ano yung number na pinili mo. So, this is a culmination of all the time that I've watched you na para malaman ko ano kayang pwedeng piliin ni Kuya Kim right now. So, based on how our conversation is going, based on sa paniniwala ko na nakikita ko sa, I can sense that you are a type of person na you always want to be 101%. Binibigay mo yung effort mo palagi when you do your things. Nahihiya ka pag pag pinupuri ka nila, parang nahihiya ka sa achievement, pero you are proud of what you do.
Of course, yeah.
That's why you chose the highest number, which is the number 6. Yeah.
Bravo.
Thank you very much.
Wow. Psychology yun?
Yes. And yung gusto ko sa ginagawa ko, pinapakita ko yung process. Katulad ganyan, kung paano ko ginagawa.
Wala po siyang gadget dito. Wow. Nakakabilib.
Enter the mind of the mental assassin with psyche and submission and facial action.